all of it?
Yeah, I think so. Add the vinegar, B. So can you find a B anywhere?
B.
A B. So add the vinegar
Okay.
into the milk, yeah? Today we are making homemade toast bread rolls with egg and cress. What Persian's making. I'm the sous chef. Have a look. Good stirring, Persie. Okay, awesome. So all the flour goes in there. Finish, Persia. And add the salt, which is D. You can find D anywhere. Pour it very gently into the middle of it. Into the middle. Ooh. Make it into one big ball.
Come on,
I'll be happy with those. Look at that.
Yeah.
Persia did like your balls, then we're going to have to cross. Yeah, you just sprinkle it on. That's all your crust is going to turn into this. Wow, look at that. That is going to turn to that. Cooked now, just come out. Looking good. I think you have to just tap the bottom to make sure it's hollow. And then it's all cooked, but they smell so good. She put poppy seeds on it and sunflower seeds as well. It smells amazing. Good try for your first soda bread. Rolls, mashed up egg. You can add in the Cress, salt, and then mix it all up. Okay, and then a bit of pepper. Okay, and then for the first one, who should you do first then? Should you make one for Daddy? And she's just cut them open and look inside. Look decent to me, cooked well.